Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to read a wonderful poem by Sarojini Naidu. The name of the poem is Street Cries. So let us know about her. Sarojini Naidu was an Indian political activist and poet, a proponent of civil rights, women emancipation and anti-imperialistic ideas. She was an important figure in India's struggle for independence from colonial rule. Naidu's work as a poetess earned her the sobriquet the Nightingale of India or Bharat Kokila by Mahatma Gandhi because of color, imagery and lyrical quality of her poetry. So here is a poem. Stanza 1. When dawn's first symbol beat upon the sky, rousing the world to labor's various cry, to tend the flock, to bind the mellowing grain, from ardent toil to forge our little gain, and fasting men go forth on hurrying feet, by bread, rings down the eager street. So, when the first sounds of early morning, such as twittering of the birds, bells from the temples, and brays of the cattle, fill the sky, the world, which means people inhabiting the earth, are awakened. Everyone wakes up to the various calls of the vendors on the streets to go out for their work. Shepherds are taking their cattle to the grasslands, farmers are going to their fields to harvest the ripened wheat, corn or rice to earn some profit. Some men are actually on fast and did not have anything since the last night's supper, but they are going hurriedly with their load of wheat, call out, buy bread. Stanza 2. When the earth falters and the waters soon, with the implacable radiance of noon, and in dim shelters quails hush their notes, and the faint thirsting blood in languid throats craves liquid succor from the cruel heat, by fruit, stills down the panting street. In summer, when earth is dry and the soil loses its strength, the rivers have no water, and when there is an unchangeable glare of the afternoon and tired quail birds take shelter in shades and sings very low, these hawkers do not stop their cries. Buy fruits. They do not stop even when their throats run dry, shouting out for prospective customers, and they crave for some liquid to get relief from the scorching heat. Stanza 3. When twilight twinkling over the gay bazaars unfurls a sudden canopy of stars, when lutes are strung and fragrant torches laid on white roofed terraces where lovers sit, drinking together of life's poignant sweet, by flowers, floats down the singing street. During evening hours, when the moonlight shines over the cheerful and enthusiastic marketplace, the sky is covered with stars, and it happens quite sudden when a stringed musical instrument is being played and fragrant sticks are lighted. When couples sit on the terraces of the building, which are calm and tranquil, enjoying a drink, which means enjoying the life's affection, fondness and sweetness. At that time, the florists come on the street to sell flowers. Sarojini Naidu depicted a clear picture of three different hours of the day and conveyed the importance of the service rendered by the street hawkers according to the human needs and moods. She depicted the humble folks quite well who are engaged in their daily tasks and portrayed the dignity of labor through which the people of India earn their livelihood. The vendors are suitable representatives of the greatness of the land of which they arise and are not merely decorative characters. They are endowed with life and vitality.